Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Building with the Phillips. Today we are showcasing one of our projects here in the amazing Citrus Springs, Florida, which is located in Citrus County. If you've been following our channel and looking at our website, you know that we have a new home development here in the Citrus County area. And we're going to be showing you a lot about it today, telling you a lot about it. But quickly, Phil and I just want to pop in really quick, let you see just some countertops that we have on a major home renovation that's here in Citrus Springs. Also, this is going to be the Phill's home construction office and showroom. So as you begin your design process with us for your new home, you'll be coming here to pick out your cabinet and countertop colors, a lot of your finishes, your fixtures, and just meeting with the Phill's home construction team. So we're gonna tell you a little bit about what we did to this monster we're standing in. Yep. This wonderful home was built in the 1980s. It definitely looked like it was built in the 1980s. There were a couple of home additions that previous owners had done. But the day that I saw this house on the MLS, because you guys know I am a realtor, right? So the day that I found this house on the MLS, it had just hit the market. And I said, you know, I need to go and take a look at this because it had the square footage we wanted, it had the land mass, it's right in the heart of the community, and we wanted the Citrus County community to know that we weren't just some fly-by-night builders and remodelers. We wanted you to know that we wanted to be a part of this amazing matrix community of Citrus Springs. So in this monster, I call it, this is the monster house in the beginning. Now I call it the Bling Bling. This is going to be the Phill's home construction headquarters. There was a huge, not so cute wall with a ceiling to floor mirror as soon as you walked in. So it really cut off the space. You couldn't really see it. One of the things that everyone says that comes in right now to look at it in the process, is like, this kitchen is huge, these countertops are massive, and that was on purpose. We wanted you guys to see how much you can actually do with a smaller amount of space. Because of course, our new home constructions, they're started about 2,000 square feet. Yep. So because we do custom design, custom build homes, I wanted my home buyers to really see what kind of potential they could have. I know that the majority of homes, the heart of the home is the kitchen. So I wanted you guys to see something maybe you hadn't seen before in a kitchen. That's why we did it this way. Phil, you want to tell them a little bit about the before, what was happening in here?
Sure. And to continue from where she left off, we also want to put a couple detail inside this remodel that's going to be in our new construction as a model. Mm-hmm. All those details will be interchangeable,
right.
Say. Mm-hmm. So you can customize it if you don't like our detail to, suit your needs.
Absolutely.
What we do to this house, it was a full remodel, top to bottom.
Everything.
Starting from the outside, we have a new roof on. Inside we have new plumbing, new electrical, new bathrooms, new kitchen, new flooring, new everything.
Yeah.
At this moment we're still in the process of finishing our trim out. Mm-hmm. So as you see, we will have a couple things that's missing. Mm-hmm. But we will definitely be doing a final update to let you see the final results when everything is together.
Yeah, and just to give you guys a heads up, this remodel, we're just about 90 days in of the actual physical work. So I'm gonna show you before pictures, after pictures, so you can see that, wow, what an amazing transition. This includes wall removals, doing a lot of the drywall, redoing drywall. When we walked into this, when I looked at this house, because Phil wasn't with me when I first came up to Citrus County and looked at this house. I'm telling you, the cockroaches were large and in charge. It did not smell nice. It was a mess, honey. But now, is absolutely stunning. And now it went from the monster to the bling bling. And you guys will definitely get a chance to see a lot of it.
Don't forget to follow us on our social media pages. Like, subscribe, hit the notification button.
Ring the bell, ring the
So you
bell.
can get updates when we put out new content and new information and what's going on with Phill's Home Construction and Deanna, your realtor.
Thanks, guys.
Also, building with the Phillips.
Building with the Phillips.